How to export your personal data on your WeChat. Hola everyone, welcome in our channel. I'm gonna show you how to do this in a easiest way. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So first of all, just go and open your WeChat app. It will open directly as you know on your homepage or your chat page. Come right now, open your profile. So after this, open your settings. So on your settings, come on your account security and go to more settings and click export personal data, and here you will wait just few seconds, and then as you see, for me I can't export my data because I don't link my email with my account before. So you can link it by coming back and clicking here, and that's it. So don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next video.